Hey guys, Jeff from D-Trailers. I want to shoot another video and amend to our last video. Our last video we really went in depth on the soft wash side but didn't really cover the pressure wash side too much. So let's open it up here, and just so we're on this subject, as far as when you open the doors, you're going to always want to restrain them because they can catch wind and close on you, and it's not a good thing. So looking at the pressure washer right here. So basically, when you want to go to start it, you're going to pull out a little bit of choke. You're going to turn the key. It'll fire up. You don't need to worry about the throttle. The throttle is set from the factory, and it'll start drawing water in through here. We've got 3/4 inch suction line on it. That right there, that cap is an inlet filter. You'll want to check that from time to time. Just a pair of pliers, unscrew it. There's a screen in there. But once it's running, it's going to be producing pressure, and just know that if you have this is a shut-off valve. If you have this off, no water will be flowing in the line back to the hose reel. So if you turn this on, you want to make sure that the gun is connected to the pressure wash line back there, and we'll walk back there in a second. But just know if it's teed like this, there's no pressure going to the line, to the hose reel back there, and basically it's going to be circulating up here. Once you pull this line and open this up, then you're going to have pressure going back to that line. And like I said, just make sure that your pressure wash gun is connected. We'll walk back here. I've got this one door open and pegged like we just talked about. See it right there. When you're ready to connect, you just quick connect the gun onto this nipple. Make sure this is all the way down, because then it'll be sealed. And then as far as your quick connect on the end, right now I've got the 15 degree on it. Up front at the machine there's some 40 degrees, which is a green, and then there's a white 25 degree. But once you connect all this and it's set, then you can go back and turn that valve that we just talked about, and you'll be spraying. We put 150 feet of hose on here, and then if you need to, not really an issue on an enclosed trailer. In the open trailers it is, but if you need to lock the reel, there's a couple of ways to do it. One, you can just go with the friction brake. This is nice if you've got the hose out and you don't want it, you're at a specific footage and you don't want it to unravel anymore, you can just use these brakes. But if you want it to be a solid full stop lock, you push these in all the way, and then what'll happen is these will end up locking it solid like that, and then it won't go anywhere. I'm going to leave these undone just so when you get the machine, if you haven't seen this video, you don't have to worry about unlocking that. But just really be diligent with the machine. It's almost 6 gallons a minute at 3,500 psi. It's very strong, very stout machine. A lot of power, so just be careful with it. If you have any questions while you're operating it, that's a toll-free. It goes right to me. Ask for me, and I can answer any questions you've got. All right, take care.